I'm going back with hopes, a big hopes, with a dream that I will collaborate with Bhumika Academy from US to India. 7-day class was just a dream, and it happened with blessings.
I'm very lucky for you.
I think the teaching that you do, that you put your front foot together to teach us the blood and the sweat you put through, is amazing. But there's no way anybody have taught me.
Thank you.
When I did this makeup, when I learned makeup back in the day, in any academy in US, or elsewhere. I've learned from big shots. I've learned from Tom Ford. I've learned from Bobbi Brown. I've learned from MAC. I've learned from all the other makeup artists.
That is so sweet.
But it's been
This
different.
is what I've just owned my life.
I've learned different things. And for me, coming to this academy, it's just a name that I wanted to put forward. Not the collaboration work only, but the name to put forward. And that was a dream for me. It's hard to come from US to do this, leaving your family home.